Mobile depositing a Wells Fargo check is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can mobile deposit a Wells Fargo check. Well, the process is pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. First things first, just log into your account. Make sure you select the account in which you want to add the funds into. Now, after that, you simply have to go to the deposit page by tapping on this deposit section under these, options. Now, here, after tapping on that, you will see different options. Now, first things first, you just have to select which account you want to deposit. Is it your checking account or is it your saving account? Now, after that, you simply have to, as you guys can see, it is selecting the account. After the account is selected, you just have to enter the amount you want to deposit in. Now, after selecting the amount, you will be asked to enter the front image of the check and then the back image of the check. Now, it will automatically open up the camera. You just have to take the images. Now, after taking the images, you will be able to see your images right there. After doing that, you just have to scroll down and tap on confirm to confirm your mobile deposit. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.